Welcome, hustlers, to the ultimate guide on the trendiest side hustles of the year. Get ready to level up your income game with these 5 hot side hustles. Let's jump right into it. But before, please like the video and subscribe for more hustle tips. SMMA, Social Media Marketing Agency. SMMA, or Social Media Marketing Agency, is all about becoming a Jedi in the world of social media. Here's how it works. You'll learn the art of running ads and creating engaging content for businesses on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. You become the go-to expert, helping businesses boost their online presence and drive sales. It's like wielding a lightsaber of digital marketing mastery. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is like being a retail wizard without any inventory headaches. Here's the deal. You set up an online store and partner with suppliers who handle the product storage and shipping. When customers place orders, the suppliers ship the products directly to them. You get to focus on marketing and customer experience. It's like having your own virtual store, juggling orders like a pro. Print on demand. Ever dreamed of being a fashion mogul or creating unique merchandise? Print on demand is your golden ticket. Here's how it works. You come up with awesome designs for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more. When customers order, a printing company brings your designs to life and ships them directly to the customers. It's like having your own fashion empire without a sewing machine in sight. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is like being a matchmaker between awesome products and eager buyers. Here's how it goes down. You join an affiliate program and promote products or services through your unique affiliate link. When people make a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. It's like being the fairy godparent of online shopping, connecting people with the things they need while getting a sweet reward. YouTube automation. Ready to be a YouTube superstar but strapped for time? Fear not. YouTube automation can be your secret weapon. Here's the scoop. You optimize your channel, schedule videos in advance, and use tools to automate tasks like engagement and analytics. It's like having a virtual assistant managing your YouTube empire while you focus on creating epic content and entertaining your audience. Comment below and let us know which side hustle you want us to tackle step by step in our next video. SMMA, dropshipping, print on demand, affiliate marketing, or YouTube automation. The power is in your hands.